ready to dive into a world of s'more bliss, where you can whip up a creamy, dreamy s'more ice cream using just a few simple ingredients. And did I mention no fancy machines? A recipe where simple flavors unite in a heavenly treat that you can make right in your kitchen. Just grab some heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and those classic s'mores components. Blend them up, freeze, and watch as they transform into an irresistible delight. It's all about bringing the campfire magic indoors. So gather your ingredients and let's create this sweet masterpiece that'll have everyone coming back for more.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel